Good afternoon, students. We are discussing about the quadratic equation method of solving. Perhaps we are going on to discuss about the completing square. So now come on and try to see how can we solve the quadratic equation by completing square. Let one question as example. Question is 4x square plus 4 root 3, 4x square plus 4 root 3x and plus 3. Now this will be equal to 0. Question is find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing square. हेलो, हाँ सर, हम पढ़ा लिए हैं, हम चले आए हैं। और बच्चे लैब कर रहे हैं, वही आपका लैब कर रहे हैं। Question is that if they exist by the method of completing square, exist means some quadratic equation be just like they does not exist any roots. Problem is that how can we define, how can we check a quadratic equation exist root or not exist. So a symbol is discriminant d, b square minus 4ac. First of all we have to find this. D means coefficient of x, 4 root of 3 square minus 4 into 4 into 3, 16 3 of 48, this is 0. Since D equal to 0, yes sir, yes sir, hello. If D is equal to 0, therefore roots are exist. Roots exist करते हैं. So we have to find them by completing square. So come and try to see. For the first step, divide all steps of this equation by 4 and you will get x square plus root of 3x and plus 3 by 4 and is equal to 3. X square plus 2 into x into root of 3 by 2 plus root of 3 by 2 square minus root of 3 by 2 square and plus 3 by 4. Now this will be equal to 0. This will be equal to x plus root of 3 by 2 square minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 and equal to 0. This will be cancelled. Finally your calculation is x plus root of 3 by 2 square equal to 0. If this square equal to 0, this implies that x plus root of 3 by 2 is also equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus root of 3 by 2. Since d is equal to 0, therefore two roots of the equations are same. Therefore you can say that roots are minus root of 3 by 2 and minus root of 3 by 2. Student, one thing is here, if equation is quadratic, then surely it has two roots. It may be possible that if discriminant of the quadratic equation be 0, then roots are same. If discriminant of the quadratic equation is greater than 0 but not 0, then they are different. But if d is less than 0, means discriminant of the quadratic equation is less than 0, that means negative. So it is sure that quadratic equation does not exist any type of roots. In that condition, you can't solve your given equation. Okay? Now come and try to see another question. Another question. 2x square plus x plus 4. 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. We check it. D is equal to b square means 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4. That means 1 minus 4 to the 62 to the 32 minus 31. Minus 31 means less than 0. All negative quantities are less than 0. Since d is less than 0, therefore no roots of equation has no roots. No roots. To solve this equation, I want to explain one thing is known. One thing is known. Test of nature of roots of quadratic equation. By discriminant. One thing we know that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is standard form of the quadratic equation in which a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is coefficient of c is constant. And also we know that x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is Sridharacharya formula. We say that formula. I have described in the previous class two method of solving of quadratic equation are two. One is factorization, second is formula method, and formula is this. And expression b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Is called discriminant and denoted by d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. If first condition is if d equal to b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and not completing square, then roots are real, unequal, and irrational. And if second is if d is greater than 0 square minus 4ac greater than 0 and complete square. Complete square means value of dv becomes just like 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, so on. Complete square. Then roots are real, unequal and rational. And third is, if d is equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then roots are real, equal and rational. These are three main points about the quadratic equation from which we are trying to discuss about the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation with the help of discriminant. Discriminant is amount and the relation between ABC just like b square minus 4ac, and when we are going to check the existence of roots of any quadratic equation, then we compare and try to find the value of ABC from the quadratic equation and set up the value of in this expression, calculate and find a calculation and an amount. If your amount is indicated these 3 points, then you can say that your roots are real, non-real, rational, non-rational, equal, unequal. So now question number 2, find the roots of quadratic equation given in question number 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. Now come. By quadratic formula, suppose that question number 1 is x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Comparing from ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, you will get a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7, c equal to 3. And also we know that x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Using this formula, minus 7 plus minus root of minus 7 square minus 4ac upon 2a, calculated 7 plus minus root of 49 minus 24 upon 4, and this is here x, and 7 plus minus root of 25 by 4, this is 7 plus minus 5 by 4, taking positive value. If positive value, then x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, that is 12 by 4, that is 3. And if taking negative sign, 7 minus 5 by 4, 2 by 4, that is 1 by 4. So students, you saw that how can we utilize the formula bx is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a in your quadratic equation system. And how can we find the roots of the equation with this formula? And I give you homework. Homework is question number 3 or any 5 questions, any 5 quadratic equation you have to solve by the formula method. Okay? So I stop here and I will continue just after this one. Thank you.